Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your keyboard and mouse via a verified adapter or the console's native ports. Make sure the game recognizes them. Once the device appears, go straight to Marvel Rivals settings, then Controls, and pick keyboard/mouse as your input. You now map core functions, movement, aim, light/heavy attacks, jump, and save that layout to slot 1. This ensures your first playable configuration is ready. If a key feels wrong, adjust now before moving on to in-match tuning. Once done mapping, you tune sensitivity and refine bindings so inputs feel natural. First, set your mouse DPI in hardware or driver software. 800 to 1600 is a reliable starting point, and then adjust in-game aim and camera sensitivity independently. Make changes, jump into the practice arena, and test movement versus target tracking. Next, assign macros sparingly. Prioritize short, reliable sequences, and put defensive options on simple. You finish by practicing deliberately and locking in the configuration. Spend 15 to 30-minute sessions on combos, spacing, and quick camera recovery until actions become automatic. When you're satisfied, save the final profile and export it if your adapter or console supports backups to avoid redoing work. If something goes wrong, inputs stutter or disconnect, first check adapter firmware and USB power, then confirm Marvel Rivals has device priority. If problems persist, reassign a minimal test layout to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.